Hi everyone, is my voice audible? Can anyone respond? Is my voice audible? Okay, thank you. So let us discuss some 15 important models. These are most repeated models in the recently conducted RRB NTPC exams. I also gave the dates there so that it will be clear for you. Now let us go to the first question. Okay, so this is the first question. This comes under puzzle section. These are frequently found in railway exams. In the present year's railway exams, we got around 3 to 4 questions in each and every shift, whether you take graduate level or UG level. And also in some software companies also we get puzzles frequently. Okay, the question given is there are 7 boxes: UV, W, X, E, F, and G. So those are kept one over the other, but not necessarily in the same order. Now the question is only X is kept above W. The question says that only X is kept above W. Okay, so let us take W here. W is, when you compare from top, W is second one, because they clearly said that only X is kept above W. So that means no other box should be above W except X. So I am taking X and W. W is from top second and X is the top. Next, only two boxes are kept between W and G. Only two boxes are kept between W and G. So here this is one box and this is another box. We can directly take G here because there are two boxes between G and W. We cannot take G above W because if you take G above W, then this sentence goes wrong. Only X is kept above W goes wrong. So that's why you should take G below W only. Next, only U is kept below F. Only U is kept below F. So that means below F only U should be. So I'm taking F here. Below F only U should be. Next sentence, this one, only U is kept below F. So below F only U should be. So that's why U is first one when taken from the bottom order. Now here we placed five boxes. So two are remaining. Two boxes are remaining. So those two boxes, if we check for them, U is over, V is remaining. If we check from the order in the question, V is remaining. Next, WXE. So W is over, X is over, E is remaining. So V and E are remaining. In those two places, we should take V and E. Okay, for V and E, if you check for V and E, there is one clue. V is not kept immediately above G. V is not kept immediately above G. So that means you can keep V here and also you can place E here. So with this, all the sentences are satisfied and also all the boxes are placed. Now the question is how many boxes are kept between E and U? How many boxes are kept between E and U? Now if you compare, E is here, U is here. So there are only two boxes kept between E and U. So answer for this one is 2. G and F are the two boxes. Answer is option 2. Option 2 is the correct answer. Okay, can I go to the next question? Is everyone clear with this? Okay, let us go to the second question. All these are repeated types. Okay, second one is from directions. Okay, if anyone got the answer, you can comment here. Okay, let us check how to do. So Sundar starts from point A and drives 12 kilometers towards east. So let us consider that this is point A. From here, Sundar starts driving and he drives 12 kilometers towards east. So 12 kilometers towards east means towards your right hand side. So this is towards east. A drove 12 kilometers. So this is 12 mixed. He then takes a left turn. He then takes a left turn. So left turn means you can turn that paper. So if you are drawing on a paper, you can turn that paper and that arrow mark should be in the same direction which you are facing. Because if the arrow mark is just in front of you, then your left will be that person's left and your right will be that person's right. Okay. So A drives 12 kilometers towards east. So first sentence is over. Next. He then takes a left turn. So left turn means towards north direction. It is towards your left. And drives 9 kilometers. So like this he drives 9 kilometers. So this is 9 kilometers. Okay, next. Drives 9 kilometers, turns left. From here again he is turning left and he is driving 13 kilometers. So from here he is driving 13 kilometers. Okay, so from here he is driving another 13 kilometers. So already 12 is over. So 13 means just a small extension. This is equal to 13. Okay, this is 13. Next, he then takes a left turn and drives 11 kilometers. Again, from there he is taking left turn. So that arrow mark should be in front of you. You can turn your book where you are solving this one. Okay, he takes a left turn and drives 11 kilometers. So from here, left means in south direction. So he is driving 11 kilometers. So small extension to that 9 kilometers. So this is 9. Till this point it is 9. You can consider this one as 2. Okay, next. He then takes a final left turn and drives 1 kilometer. So if you observe this above one is 13, this below one is 12. So it means till here it is 12. Till here it is 12. So the remaining one is 1. This is 1. So as that is 1, this last one is exactly below this point. So he drives 1. Like this he is driving 1 and he stopped at this point. Exactly below that A. At this point he stopped. Okay. Now our question is and stops at point P. Okay, so this is point P. Now our question is how far and towards which direction should he drive to reach point A again? Point A. So from P to A, how much distance he should travel? So if you observe here, from P to A means it is in north direction. From P he should travel in north direction. These are the options given: 2 kilometers towards north, 1 kilometers towards south, 2 kilometers towards south, and 1 kilometers towards north. So it is clear that he should travel in north direction. Okay, in north direction, and also we should check how many kilometers. Now this part and this part both are equal. So that is equal to 2. It means this is also equal to 2. So in north, 2 kilometers. 2 kilometers towards north is the correct answer. Answer for this question is 2 kilometers towards north, which is first option. Option A is the correct answer. Okay, can I go to the next question? Is everyone clear with this? Okay, let us go to the next question. Next one, third one. This is related to blood relations topic. We usually find this type of example in all the TCS exams that is being held in our country, whether it is government exams or software companies or anywhere. When TCS is involved, definitely we get questions of this type only. First, m minus n. M minus n means you should check for what is a minus b mean. Next, n plus o. So n plus o means, again you should check what is n plus o. So it is a plus b. What is a plus b mean? Next, o divided by p. O divided by p means a divided by p. Similarly, p into q. P into q means a into b. With the help of those relations, you can try to solve. So after that, we should take the relation. Now, we should check how is M related to Q. What is the relation between M and Q? Okay, let us check how to do. If anyone got the answer, you can comment it. So first, M minus N. You should check for M minus N. M minus N means it is related to A minus B. A minus B means A is brother of B. So M minus N means M is brother of N. The first one says that M is brother of N. So here it is M, here it is N. As M is brother of N, you should take equal to, they are siblings. M is brother, so a box is surrounded by M. Next, N plus O. N plus O means you should take A plus B. A plus B means A is mother of B. So A is mother of B, so it means N is mother of O. N is mother of O. So mother, so it is circle, N circle, downward pointing arrow mark, next generation. N is mother of O. Okay, next. O divided by P. O divided by P means O is father of P. O divided by P means O is father of P. So as O is father of P, O box, O is father of P. So downward pointing arrow mark P. O is father of P. Next, last one, P into Q. So P into Q means you should take A into B. So here it is A is wife of B. So it means P is wife of Q. P is wife of Q. So P is wife of Q means again circle. P is wife of Q. Double implies Q. So as P circle, you should take Q box because Q is male. Double implies means wife and husband. So this is the diagram for the given question. Now in this we should check what they asked. So here if you observe, they are asking us what is the relation of how is M related to Q. How is M related to Q? So let us check for the options once. These are the options. This question is asked in NTPC graduate level exam. So the question is wife's father's father, wife's mother's brother, wife's father's mother's brother, wife's mother's father. Those are the options. Okay, let us check what can be the answer from the diagram. This is the diagram. Whenever you have questions like this, you should check from second person's point of view. So here second person is Q. You should check from Q's point of view. Q's point of view to M. So Q's point of view means how is what is the link between Q and M? So let us check what is the link. So from Q, it is connected to P. The link is connected to P. So Q's wife is P. Q's wife is P. So first link is wife. Next, P2O. P2O is connected. So P2O it is connected means wife's father. O is P's father. So wife's father. Next link is related to O. So the link here is father. Wife's father. Okay, wife's father. Let us check whether we can eliminate any options or not. We have wife's father in two cases. So second one is eliminated. And also fourth one is eliminated. Wife's father is there in two options. So one or three can be the answer. Answer is either one or three. Now let us check for the next one. Okay, next one. So O and N. O and N. So the relation between O and N is O is son of N and N is mother. So wife's father's mother. Wife's father's mother. So till N, this is the relation. But our question is related to M. So wife's father's mother. From mother, it is linked to brother. N's brother is M. So wife's father's mother's brother. That is the final answer, which is option A. So from the given options, option A is the correct answer. Wife's father's mother's brother. Oh, which is there in the third option. So third option is the correct one. First option is also eliminated because it is wife's father's father. So this is eliminated. The correct answer is wife's father's mother's brother. Okay, this is the third question. All the three what we discussed till now are very important. Definitely you get questions of these in the upcoming exams because these are most repeated ones. I hope everyone understood these three. Now let us go to the fourth one. Fourth question. Okay, this is the fourth one. So it is related to arrangement. They are sitting in a row. So this is related to a linear arrangement. This came in NTPC UG level exam, which was conducted on 12th August. So linear arrangement and the seating arrangement, these two are important. We get in software companies also. Okay, total there are 7 people. These 7 people are sitting in a row facing towards north. If anyone got the answer, you can comment. Okay, let us check. Total there are 7 people. These 7 people are sitting in a row facing towards north. Only 3 people sit between M and J. O sits to the immediate left of J. So O sits to the immediate left of J. This is a direct clue because we can take this sentence directly. O sits to the immediate left of J. So we can take J here to the immediate left. Immediate left means towards your left hand side. O is sitting. So I am taking O here. I am taking O here to the immediate left of J. Okay, next we can go to the first one. Only three people sit between M and J. So here also we cannot exactly place M and J. Actually, there are two cases. We can check those two cases. Okay, first M and J, three people are sitting. So this is M. First one, second one, and third one. You can take J here. Three people are sitting between M and J. So this is one possibility. Let us take the other possibility also. The other possibility means just they are interchanging their places, M and J. So if they are interchanging their places means you can take J here. J can be you can take J here. So again three people, and you can take M here. So these two are possible. These two are possible cases. Next, O sits to the immediate left of J. O sits to the immediate left of J. So O sits to the immediate left of J means your left hand side will be J's left hand side because both are facing towards north. So O sits to the immediate left of J means you can take O here to the left of J. Next, in the second case, so this is first case and the other one is second case, second situation. In this two, one will get eliminated at the end, so the other one will be the answer. Now O we can take it here. O sits to the immediate left of J. So here we placed O, J and M. Three people are fixed. Now let us check for the remaining people. Okay, only two people sit between I and O. Only two people sit between I and O. Next, no one sits to the right of I. No one sits to the right of I. So no one sits to the right of I means I is at the right end. I is at the right end because after I, no one is sitting. No person is sitting. So it means I should be placed at the right end. That means a chance can be here. You can take I here. I is placed at the right end. And also you can take I here. I can be placed at the right end. So after I, no one is sitting. Okay, next one. So in the above one, six people are placed. In the below one, we got seven places with three blanks. Okay, let us go to the other clues. Only two people sit between I and O. Only two people sit between I and O. So only two people sit between I and O means if you observe the second one, here there are five people. There are five people between I and O. So that's why this is eliminated. This scenario is eliminated. So only two people sit between I and O means you can place a blank here because you cannot change I. Now here seven people are placed because in between I and J there is a blank. You can insert blank there. So I blank J O, two blanks and M. So like that it is possible. Now we got seven places fixed. So first one is the correct one. So first one is the correct scenario and it is satisfying all the cases. Why I took blank means one person is remaining. We don't know where that person sits. But in the question they clearly gave that there are two people between I and O. So I took J, I took blank. Next one. Let us check for the next one. Next scenario. N sits to the immediate right of L. N sits to the immediate right of L. So N sits to the immediate right of L means I'm taking L here. Immediate right of L. So immediate right of L means towards your right hand side. L and N. So L and N, these two are fixed. We cannot separate this L and N. So the two blanks which are left are after M. So here L is sitting, here N is sitting. Now the remaining person, we have one blank remaining, and in that blank remaining, we can take the remaining person. So who is the remaining person? M is fixed, L is fixed, N is fixed, and O is fixed, J is fixed, I is fixed. So the remaining person is K. Now this is the final order. M, L, N, O, J, K, I. This is the final order which is satisfying all the sentences given in the question. Okay, now our question is how many people are sitting between K and N? Okay, between K and N. So if you check between K and N, how many people are sitting? So K and N, two people are sitting. They are O and J. So answer is two. Answer for the given question is two, which is option three. So option three is the correct answer. Okay, I hope everyone understood this. If you have any doubt, you can comment it here so that I'll again explain. Otherwise, we can move to the next question, next example, next repeated one. Okay, this is the next question. So this question is also frequently asked in all the railway exams which happened this year, and this is also another easy one only. So the question says that one is subtracted from each even digit of the number, and then the digits are arranged in ascending order from left to right. Find the sum of the digits that are second from the left and third from the right. So what they are saying is one is subtracted from each even digit of the number. So you should subtract 1 from each even digit. So this is 9. The number given is 9, 5, 4, 2, 3, 6, 7, 1. This is the number given. So what you should do means you should subtract 1 from all the even digits that are visible. Even digits means 4 is even, 2 is even, 6 is even. So whichever is divisible by 2, those are even numbers. Those are called even numbers. Now we should subtract 1 from each number. We should subtract 1 from each even number. Okay, let us subtract 1 from each even number. So subtracting 1 from each even number means the numbers become, this is odd, so 9, this is also odd, 5, this is even, so I can subtract 1, which becomes 3. Next, 2 is also even, so I can subtract 1, and this becomes 1. Next, 3 is same because that is odd number, 6 is even, I can subtract 1 from it, so this becomes 5. Next from 7, this is odd, so it comes same, it will be the same. 1 is also same, so this is our new number, that is our new number. I subtracted 1 from each even digit of the number. Okay, next. The next part of the question says that and the digits are arranged in ascending order from left to right. So from your left hand to right hand side, the digits are arranged in ascending order. So ascending order means if you observe the digits, this becomes ascending order means small to big. So 1 1, there are two ones. Next there are two threes. So I'm placing two threes here. There are two fives. I'm placing two fives, and the remaining one is 7, and the last one is 9. So I arranged the digits in ascending order. So this is the required ascending order. Now our question is find the sum of the digits that are second from the left. So from your left hand side, it should be second. From your left hand side, if you count, it should be second. Next, from your right hand side, it should be third. So left hand side means this is first number, second number. So second from left hand side is 1. Count from your left hand side. Next, from your right hand side, if you count, it should be third number. So right hand side you should count means this is third number from right hand side. Okay, they are asking us what is the sum of those two numbers. So sum of 1 and 5. Sum of 1 and 5 means it gives us 6. So C is the correct option. Option 3. Answer is 6. These type of models are also frequently found in our exams. Okay, let us go to the next question. Okay, this is the next one. Syllogisms. Syllogisms concept is also important. Two statements are given and also two conclusions are given. Based on Venn diagrams, we will be solving these. Okay, let us check how to solve. First one, some fuses are wires. So the first statement is some fuses are wires. Okay, as they are saying some, I'm just taking some part of it. I'm not taking all because we should take minimum intersection. Some fuses are wire. So fuses and wire they are intersecting. So that becomes some fuses are wire. Next one, no wire is a battery. So now no wire is a battery means I'm taking battery separately. I'm not taking any intersection between wire and a battery. So I'm taking battery separately. Next one. The first conclusion says that some fuses are batteries. Some fuses are batteries means here fuses and batteries both are not intersecting. So as those both are not intersecting, some fuses are batteries is wrong. First conclusion is wrong. Next, some wires are fuses. So some wires are fuses means here wires and fuses both are intersecting. So as those both are intersecting, we can call some wires are fuses. So this is correct only. Now if you observe just this statement, these two words got interchanged. So as statements are always true, you can call second conclusion is true. Just those two words are interchanged. So second one is definitely true. We cannot make it false. So first conclusion follows is the correct answer. Second conclusion follows is the correct answer, which is option 1. Option 1 is the correct answer. Only conclusion 2 follows. Syllogisms is also a most important topic. 100% you get questions in almost all the exams wherever logical reasoning is involved. So that's why practice this topic also well. Okay, let us go to the next one. So next one is symbols interchanged. In recently held SSC CGL exams, we got three questions of this type. We got three questions of this type. This is nothing but just symbol interchange. Based on Bodmas rule, we can solve this. And also in railway exams, in each and every shift, we found around two questions. So if you take CGL exams, we got three questions. If you take railway exams, we got two questions. So that's why this model is also important. Okay, here we should just interchange the symbols. First, you should be knowing Bodmas rule. Based on Bodmas rule, we will be solving this one. So Bodmas means first it is brackets, O means off, D means division, M is multiplication, A is addition, and S is subtraction. Bodmas rule. So based on all these symbols, we will be calculating. So coming to the first one, they said that plus and minus are interchanged. Plus and minus are interchanged. Okay, first I am writing all the numbers what are given in the question. So the numbers are 87. I'm not taking symbols, I'm just taking numbers. 87, 3, 4, 12, and 30. These are the numbers given. Now coming to the symbols, those are interchanged. So if you observe, plus and minus are interchanged, and into and divided by are interchanged. So in place of into, I should take divided by. In place of divided by, I should take multiplication because those are interchanged. Next, in place of plus, I should take minus. In place of minus, I should take plus. So this is the given. This is the correct statement given. So from this, we should be using BODMAS rule, and we will be solving this one. So BODMAS means first it is division. BODMAS means first it is division. Okay, 87 divided by 3. 87 divided by 3 means it is 29. So 29 into 4. Next it is multiplication. So 29 into 4, first you should multiply. After that you should add, next you should subtract. So first 29 into 4, I should simplify this one. If we simplify this one, you get 116. You get 116. If you multiply, you get 116. Next, 116 minus 12 plus 30. 116 minus 12 plus 30. First it is addition. So as it is addition, you should add 116 and 30. So if we add 116 and 30, we get 146. If you add those two numbers, first addition, so it is 146. 146 minus 12. Next it is subtraction. So 146 minus 12 means the answer for this one is 134. 134 is the final answer. After interchanging the symbols, we should be using BODMAS rule and we should be solving it. So 134 is the final answer. Okay, let us go to the next one. Next important model. Okay, next one. So this came in NTPC graduate level exam. Okay, let us check how to solve. So the question says that there are some set of numbers given, set of 3-digit numbers given from left to right. They only gave the direction towards your left hand side and towards your right hand side. They said that all the operations are to be done from left to right. Now the question is, what will be the resultant if the second digit of the highest number? So first you should take highest number. Highest number is 733. This is the highest one. Next, in the lowest number. So the lowest number out of all this set of numbers is 265. This is the lowest number. So what they are saying is, if the second digit of the highest number, So second digit of the highest number is 3. Second digit of the highest number is 3. Next, first digit of the lowest number. So first digit of the lowest number is 2. Now this becomes 3 plus 2. 3 plus 2 is 5. So 5 is the correct answer. In railway exams, we get these type of questions. So normally what many people do is they just read the entire question, but reading the entire question wastes a lot of time. So that's why what you should do means you should just read this question and you can try to solve based on the given instructions. Okay, let us go to the next one. Okay, next one, ninth question. This question comes under coding decoding. Next question. Certain conditions are given. Here the value what we should find is 5 3 plus 4. 5 3 plus 4. We should find the code for that particular one. 5 3 plus 4. So what is the code for this 4? 5 3 plus 4. What will be the code for that one? So some conditions are given. Based on the given conditions we should check. Okay, so let us check first one. If the first element is a symbol and the last a number, so it doesn't fall under the first condition. So you can just eliminate that one. You can eliminate the first condition because the question what we got is doesn't fall under first condition because the first one says that the first one should be a symbol, but in our given question it is not a symbol, it is a number. So that's why first one is eliminated. Now let us go to the next one, next condition. If the first element is an odd number, so the first element is an odd number. Yes, it is an odd number. We have 5. So as that is an odd number, it comes under the second condition. Let us check for the next one also. And the last one is an even number. Yes, last one is an even number because it is 4. So it falls under second condition. It falls under second condition. So they said that both the numbers are coded as the given symbol. So first one should be coded with the given symbol. Last one also should be coded with the given symbol. So these two are for the first and last. Next. And the remaining ones are to be coded as the codes given in the question. So we have 3. Code for 3 is C. Code for 3 is C. So second one is C. Next. Plus means it is R. So code for plus is R. So this is the answer. This is the final answer. First and last are symbols. In between we get C and R, which is the correct answer. So you should check for the options. So wherever you find this set of symbols and alphabets, that will be the correct answer. So like this, whenever a question of this sort is given, you go and check for the conditions. Don't read the question. First go directly to the conditions. So solve from the conditions. Then you can save some time. Okay, I hope you understood this one. Let us go to the next one. Okay, this is the next one. This is a direct coding decoding question. So for this, first you should be writing some numbers. So based on the numbers, we can solve this. You can write values of each alphabet. So based on values of alphabets, we can solve this one. First I, you should be knowing I means which number. Next G means which number. B means which number. And also F means which number. Based on alphabet to number conversion. IGBF. So first write those numbers. What is I, what is G, what is B, and what is F. I clearly explained coding and decoding in our channel. Videos are available. If anyone did not watch it, you can watch it. I just told some tricks which are useful to remember alphabet to number conversion easily. Okay, let us check how to do. So the question says that first it is IGBF. So IGBF means let us take numbers for those. I is 9. I value is 9. I value is 9. Next, G value is 7. B value is 2. F value is 6. Okay, next. OMHL. So O value is 15. M value is 13. H value is 8. L value is 12. Now if you observe the change here, so here just they are adding 6 to each one. Let us check whether it is correct or not. 9 plus 6 is 15. 7 plus 6 is 13. 2 plus 6 is 8. 6 plus 6 is 12. So in this case they are adding 6 to each one. So let us check whether this is correct or not. The second set of words given are K, I, D, H. So K is 11. I is 9. D is 4. H is 8. So these are the next set of numbers. Okay, let us check for the other ones. Q is 17. O is 15. O is 15. J is 10. N is 14. So here also it is the same. They are adding 6 to each alphabet. So in the same way, if we check for the given question, M is 13. M value is 13. So 13 plus 6 means it is 19. 19 means S. So our answer's first letter is S. Next, K is 11. So K is 11 means if we add 6 to that one, it is 17. 17 is Q. So our answer's second alphabet is Q. Next, F is 6. F value is 6. So if F value is 6, if you add 6 to that one, it becomes 12. So 12 value is L. Now our answer starts with SQL. SQL means we have only one option, which is option 4. So option 4 is the correct answer. SQLP is the final answer. Fourth option. Okay, next one. This is also of similar type, seating arrangement, similar to the ones what we solved before. So I hope you can take a screenshot of this one and you can try it later because this is almost of the same type. They are facing around a circular table, so you should draw a circle and you should take 7 places. And based on that, you can place these. You can try this one later. Just take a screenshot of this one. As it is similar, I am not discussing this one. Let us go to next question. This is the next question. This is from ranking and ordering. Next question. Okay, let us check how to solve ranking and ordering. So total 47 students are there. 47 students are there here. They are facing towards north. Shivangi is 21st from the left end. Okay, so let us check. If one person is first from the left end, one person is first from the left end. So it means that person is 47th from the left end. So if it is first from the left end, total there are 47. So you can take 47 there. If you count from right hand side, if you count from right hand side by taking 47 as 1, 2, 3, so on, this first person becomes 47. Just in reverse order, first person from left end will be 47th person from right end. So if you count from right, then that particular person becomes 47. Next, if that person is second one, if you count from the right end, then that person becomes 46. So it means when the side changes, if you add any two, it becomes 48. Similarly, third person from left end becomes 45th person from the right end. If you count from the right end, from right end taking 1, 2, 3, 4, so on, that third person becomes 45. So like this, if we add any two, it becomes 48. Okay, our question says that Shivangi is 21st from the left end. So 21st from the left end means, as we know that it is equal to 48. It is equal to 48. So 21st from the left end. 21st from the left end. It means from the right end it becomes 27, because sum of those two should be 48. So this is about Shivangi's place, 21st from the left end, 27th from the right end. Okay, next one. They said that Ankit is 22nd from the right of Shivangi. 22nd from the right side of Shivangi. So 21st from the left end means from there you can count 22nd to the right. So from her right hand side you can count 22. So 21 plus 22. 21 plus 22. 21 plus 22 means that is equal to 43. From Shivangi's right hand side, if we count, it becomes 43. So Ankit is 43rd from the left hand side. 43rd. Because 21 plus 22 gives us 43. So Ankit is 43rd from the left hand side. So from left hand side, it is 43, means we know that the sum should be equal to 48. So if it is 43, that is equal to 5. From right hand side, it is 5th. Ankit is 5th from the right hand side. So 5 is the correct answer. Option C, 5th from the right hand side. Okay, next one. So this is about alphabetical series. Next question is related to alphabetical series. Okay, again here you can take numbers of each alphabet. So first let us take numbers. W is 23. W value is 23. Next, O value is 15. Next, M value is 13. Okay, next one. CVS. So C value is equal to 3. C value is equal to 3. V value is equal to 22. V value is 22. Next, S value is equal to 19. So CVS means that is equal to 3, 22 and 19. Next, ICY. ICY. So I value is equal to 9. I value is 9. C value is equal to 3. Next, Y value is equal to 25. Okay, next one. O value is equal to 15. O value is equal to 15. J value is equal to 10. Next, E value is equal to 5. Now we should find what comes next in the series. What comes next in the series? So if you observe the difference here, here they added 6. Here also they added 6. So that means here also they added 6. So for the next one also we should add 6 to it. So if you add 6 to 15, we get 21. 21 means it is equal to U. 21 means U. Next, if you observe here, they are adding 7 to each one. 15 plus 7, 22. 22 plus 7, as this is a cyclic order, after Z again it is A, B, C. So it is equal to 3. Next, 3 plus 7, 10. 10 plus 7, 17. So 17 is Q. U, Q. You have only one option, which is option 2. Next, 13 plus 6, 19. 19 plus 6, 25. 25 plus 6, it is 5, cyclic order. 5 plus 6. 5 plus 6 is 11. So 5 plus 6 is 11, means 11 is equal to K. U, Q, K is the correct answer. So answer is option 2. Option 2 is the correct answer. Alphabetical series is also a most important topic. In almost all the exams, we get questions from alphabetical series. Whether it is government exams or any exams, this topic definitely comes in almost all the exams. Okay, next, this comes under Venn diagrams. So, three different types of circles are given. First one is shades, the other one is cupboards, and the other one is tables. Here we should find which indicates number of pieces of furniture. The question what we should find is how many chairs are there. How many chairs are there which are also cupboards but not tables. So here you should find intersection values. You should find how many chairs are there. How many chairs are there means you should consider chair numbers. So 29, 19, 7 and 17. These are chair numbers because those are in chair circle. Next, which are also cupboards. Cupboards means you can consider this first circle 19 and 7, which are also cupboards. So this is eliminated. This doesn't fall under cupboards. This also doesn't fall under cupboards. So as of now, you can consider 19 and 7. Next, but not tables. Tables you should not consider. So in table circle only we have this 7. So this 7 also you should not consider. 7 is also eliminated. So the final answer for this question is 19. 19 is the only area which lies in cupboards, chairs but not tables. So that 19 is the intersection of both chairs and cupboards, but it is not falling under tables. So that is the final answer, which is 19. So till here we solved 14 questions, 14 most repetitive questions in exams. This is the last one. This is related to averages. Okay, average of unversed marks in 7 subjects is 75. His average in 6 subjects, excluding science, is 70. Now, our question is how many marks did he get in science? That is the question. So, from this, we know that average equal to sum by total. Average equal to sum by total. Based on that one, we can solve this question. Okay, average equal to sum by total. So, average in 7 subjects equal to 75. So, total of 7 subjects. This is sum of 7 subjects by 7. Sum by total equal to average. So total 7 subjects by 7 gives you 75. So that is sum of all the 7 subjects. So sum of all the 7 subjects means sum of 7. So sum of 7 gives us 7 into 75. Sum of 7 gives us 7 into 75. This is sum of all the 7 subjects. So if you simplify this one, that is equal to 525. So sum of 7 subjects equal to 525. Next, the average in 6 subjects. So sum of 6 subjects by total is 6. So sum by 6 is equal to 70. Sum by 6 is equal to 70. Okay, so sum of 6 subjects is equal to 70 into 6. 70 into 6 means that is equal to 420. So that is equal to 420. Sum of 6 subjects equal to 420. Now we require what is the other subject, which is science. So sum of 7 subjects including science is 525. Sum of 6 subjects equal to 420. So the remaining subject is 525 minus 420. You should subtract those two so that you will be getting the other subject. 7 minus 6 is 1. That one subject. One subject value is equal to 105. So with this we completed 15 questions. I gave you one question to solve. You try to solve that one. It is related to circular arrangement. So these are the 15 most repeated questions in the recently conducted government exams. In next year's exam also definitely you get these 15 models. So just practice this well. We will be discussing other problems in our next class, remaining models. So I'm ending this class. Thank you.